beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna show you 5 items which are either my faves or fails. If you're curious, please keep watching. Now, I did similar video not too long ago. In this one, I decided to share a few more. If you hear some noises in the background, that's my dog, which is with me right now. The first item is the Shea Moisture Detangle. It's called Coconut Hibiscus Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangle with slippery elm and marshmallow extracts. What it does? Anti-frizz, moisture, shine, thick, wavy and ruly hairs. I do like this product. Besides having a wonderful mister, it does the job and smells like the actual marshmallows. And because it talks about that slippery elm, you know what, just shake it so maybe you can see it. So when you shake it, you're gonna have that, come on, show yourself. It's like a little shiny stuff which you can keep looking and lost a lot of time on it. Maybe it's not gonna show. Nah, oh baby, yes, a little bit. Why I like it, even though it's for the kids, my hair are dry and frizzy, especially in the morning, so I'm gonna spray this one on, and guess what, it makes brushing my hair way easier. I already went through a few of those. No, this is my second or third bottle, but guess what, I already have 2 backups, so obviously you can tell that I do enjoy the product. It's one of my favorites. The new item, which I bought recently because I couldn't stand my brush, is the Tangle Teezer. What it is, it's a brush which has, let me give you the correct number, 325 unique teeth untangle every strand of hair quickly and gently, and for all hair types. Now this brush was designed, I believe, for hair colorist, which he realized how painful it's brushing a wet hair. Okay, so that's the box. The person who designed it, he's British, and the ultimate detangle for wet hair. And on the back you have the creator and his little backstory. Come on. Here we go. I invented Tangle Teezer, which is this. In 2007, from my experience of working as a leading hair colorist, the fast became a global phenomenon. Yes, that's correct. Hairbrush for wet hair was created to deliver results for hair straight out of the shower. Teeth flex through the hair without pulling, tugging or causing breakage for super detangling hair. And yes, that's correct. Now, the one which is known the most, it's one without the brush, so it's like you put in your hair and then just brush it. But now they come up with the brush with the actual handle, which is nice, so it's easier to brush once you're out of the shower. And guess what, I do like it. And honestly, I was thinking about buying 1 or 2 for my sister, so we will see. But yes, that's my other favorite. So far we have 2 hair products. And to keep it in the same category, I have one more. Next item is the hair mask for the hair. Repair My Hair Avocado Hair Pack from Etude house. So yes, that's a Korean brand. I bought this upon recommendation of one of the YouTubers. I was like, you know, let me just give a try. Besides smelling flowery, which I would say not everyone's gonna enjoy, it has a, come on, thicker consistency, so it has like a buttery consistency. But once you apply it, you can already feel it working. You're supposed to leave this on your hair for like 5 to 10 minutes. You're gonna, believe me, you're gonna see the results and you're gonna like it. If I can compare this to something, it's like hair straightener in a tube. After I was done with everything and my hair were dry, guess what, they were really smooth. So you know what, for sure I'm recommending this. For sure I'm gonna recommend this item. And then I have 2 fails. One is the first moisturizer. You're gonna focus, here we go. Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Cream Face Cream. Refused to obey time. It has it has some kind of a complex with concentrated floral stem cells, powerful antioxidants, and supposed to be for all skin types. Also, it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. Because it's for all skin types, it's very light, so it should be perfect for spring and summer. Smells really nice. It smells divine, a little bit flowery. It does provide hydration, so if you have normal combination and oily skin, this will be nice. And also, if you look at the back, it has many good ingredients. So we got safflower seed oil, glycerin, shea nut oil, vitamin E, sweet almond oil, vitamin B5, oat. But there are a couple other things: sweet iris seal, Damascus rose, kikari, well, I don't know what is that, spinosa gum, cucumber, geranium oil. I do like the texture. I like that it hydrates. However, this product broke me down. Even though my skin is dry, there is not too often when something's gonna break me down and I have a pimples. Unfortunately, this product did. I would say it has to be one of the scents or one of the flower ingredients which doesn't cooperate with my skin. I'm glad it's a small tube. This was, yeah, it came in one of the sets for Christmas from Target. I do like their kombucha cleanser, which comes in a pink tube. That one is great. Even though it smells, you only keep it for a little bit, so you're gonna wash it off. With this, because it's a moisturizer, it's gonna stay on you for a few hours, and that could be the reason why I was broken down. Unfortunately, no, it didn't work for me, and no, I'm not gonna repurchase. But because it's a small tube, I'm glad, and I'm gonna use up the rest on my body as a body lotion. So far we have 3 favorites and 1 fail, and the last item is gonna be a little bit controversial. Now, before I move on, there is a saying: what can work for me is not gonna work for you, and what works for you will not work for me. For example, this is the Maybelline Fit Me. The first time I have it, the shade was too dark, so I decided to go for the lightened one. So this one, it's fair. Apparently it's compared as one of the NARS concealers, and I see why, because it gives that nice coverage. Yeah. Unfortunately, it didn't work with my skin. What I'm trying to say, I put underneath my eyes and tried to blend it, but I have like a patches, and that was weird. So the next time I use it, I use without the eye cream, so it was only moisturizer. And guess what? It was still being patchy. So the next day, I went for the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Instant Fix, which I know it doesn't have a good opinion. It comes with a little, I know, puff at the end. So I was like, you know what, let me see, since everyone hates this, maybe it's gonna act the same way. So I apply it, and guess what, where the CoverGirl was being patchy, this one was going smooth. I mean, this one, here we go. And this is a pure example of what works for you doesn't work for me, and vice versa. So no, I will not repurchase the Fit Me, but I'm gonna finish the CoverGirl, and I don't know if they still make it. If you have a dry skin, or if there is something which doesn't work, you know what, give it a try, because maybe you're gonna find something which you will enjoy. Okay, so that was my short overview of my 5 items, where 3 were hair products and 2 were the fails. Anyway, let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video, so I'm gonna try to make them more often. Okay, see you next time. Bye.